Feel free, bro, to start whenever. We can wait until a couple more people come on, or we can go ahead and get started at like 9
It's up to you guys, honestly. I mean, it's pretty simple stuff.
All right, yo, Javin, do you want to wait? Let's say 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Cool. We'll wait 3 minutes.
What's up, Nikita? What's up, Jordan?
Go ahead and play some music in the background.
I'm so faded, all the things that I take in. Maybe I'm not really drunk, maybe I'm really good at faking. You're 915, all the girls I'm seeing, and they're down for the night. All my boys are with me, going up for the night. Who cares? Who cares? 'Cause this is your year. So waking up in the grave,
Perfect. All right, we're gonna get started here in like 2 minutes, guys. Cesar, if you want to go ahead and start, brother, feel free. Let's get it started, bro.
All right, sounds good. So this is gonna be recorded, right?
Yes, sir. Recording it right now.
All right. Good afternoon, good night, guys. Actually, so welcome, whoever's watching into this recorded. Welcome as well. Glad you're here. Glad you're watching. I was talking on the group. I've been stressing last couple of days to get in on IML Academy, review at least every day or every time that you're free, got time. Look at the IML Academy. It's free education. Well, not free education. You're actually paying for it. It's a product, and a lot of people look over it, and they sleep on it. So I've been stressing a lot lately, and this weekend I was try to look at least at 2 to 3 videos a week, just review them and try to improve a little bit on my technique, on my craft. And I threw in the group that every Sunday I would like to go over 2 videos, and then starting this week I would send 2 to 3 videos to the group to watch them over the weekend, and then we can look at them and discuss them during the Sunday webinar. So let's get this started. So let me share my screen. Right. Where is it at? Okay, right here. All right. Can everybody see the chart right there? You see it? All right. So I reviewed 2 different videos. One of them is how to trade triangles, and then the other one is price relationships. So I would like to start first with price relationships. What does that mean? So if you went over the video, and I really stress you guys to go over it, watch it. Both of those videos were made by Chris Terry, our CEO. He is an awesome trader. He's like the Michael Jordan of trading. So basically what he says, he says that when he looks at the market, he looks for previous swings in the market, right? So basically you see the market here. This happens every time. Market goes up and retraces, up and retraces, or goes, oh, sorry. Let's erase that. So let's look for a downtrend, right? It goes down and retraces, down and retraces. And this happens every time in a market, right? So what he says is he looks at previous swings in the market, right? He draws a line here, right? And so let's look at this. I was looking at this trade this afternoon. So you see that this retracement right here, right? This movement, this swing. And if we clone it, let's clone it right here, and then put it right about here, and we'll fix it a little bit. Doesn't this retracement down here almost exactly the same as this one? If you look at this line, right? Looks pretty similar. And what happens? Let's look for examples, right? Let's go back in history, right? Right? So I see a downtrend here, right? And I look for a swing, right? We see this down, and then we see a retracement up right here, right? We see the market coming back, right? Oh. We see the market here, right? And then imagine this right here, still like right here. Let's draw it right here. Let's do a little bit of drawing. Let's all right. Let's imagine that this hasn't happened yet. Imagine the market is here, right? This has not happened yet, right? So so we're right here, right? You're looking at Euro NCD, right? And you see a little bit of downtrend, and then the market retraces, and then comes back, and you're right here, right? And you look right here, you see this retracement. Come here, you clone it, and you're like, huh? Doesn't this look very similar to this previous swing, right? And guess what happens? Guess what happened after this? Let's draw this. Let's look at this. Check it out. What happened?
It drops.
600 pips is what happens.
Let's go.
It happens time and time again. Let's look for another example. Let's look for another example right here. And this is the same pair. Same pair. Happens time and time again. Let's see here. This is a little one, right? Let's look for an option, right? Look, you see this retracement back, right? And then you're like, huh? The market, let's suppose the market is right here, right? You're like, huh? This looks very similar to this one right there. And what happens? Market goes up. So right now, let's look at this. Right now, the market, let's erase everything. So it is currently right here, right? So I was looking at it this morning, or actually this afternoon, right when the market opened. Oh, let's refresh here real quick. All right. It's Euro NCD, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go right here. All right. So you see the market right here, right? So I saw this, and I saw we can clearly see an Elliott wave happening right here, right? We see an up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I was looking at it, and this is my analysis, right? I see this swing. I saw this first swing down, this retracement, right? So I decided to clone it. I'm like, it didn't match here, and that's okay. That's gonna happen. But moved it up here, and looks very similar to this other previous swing. And I see a level of support right there. So this is a great, great tool to apply to your trading. And it happens time and time again. Let's look at another pair, right? We see this swing. Let's see. Looking at AUD USD. Look, check it out. Look at this swing right there, that retracement. Clone it. And it didn't, right? And sometimes it's gonna happen. But what I like to do is let's see. Let's try to erase that. Yeah, that was not a good example. But we can look at other pairs. Check it out. Look at this one. Check it out. Doesn't that swing look very similar to this one? Of course it does. And look, drop. So it happens every time in the market, guys. So I would encourage you guys to check it out. It's called Price Relationships, and it's on Advanced Analysis and IML Academy. The other video I would like you guys to see, it's how to trade triangles, or Javin calls them wedges, which is basically the same thing. So a perfect example of this one is right here.
Cesar, Nikita has a question, brother.
Yeah, man. Go ahead.
Are we doing price relationships for daily or hourly as well?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Look, let's go to the hourly, right? Let's go to the hourly. Check it out. Look at this right there. Perfect example right there. Look. Look right here. Look at this. Look at this swing right there. That retracement, right? Clone it. Look at that. Beautiful. You can go to, let's go to the 15. Same thing, guys. Look, doesn't matter. Look at that. So it's just a tool that you can use for your trading. What's that? I can't hear him. Hey, does he have a question? Whoever's talking right there?
If you guys have a question, please feel free to ask, for sure.
No, I just heard somebody in the background, and I thought it was somebody asking a question.
Got you. It might just be some background noise. My bad.
Oh, okay. That's fine. All right. So the other one, and the other one was, and you can see it right there here as well. Look, check it out. NCD USD. Look at this swing right there. Check it. Look at that. So this is what you need to do next. After you see this, you're like, huh, okay. You can, what I like to do is look for a level of support or resistance. In this case will be resistance, and then look for an entry in that area. The other video, guys, and we can go back and I can show you guys how we can use both, and then you can apply them immediately to your strategy, and it's extremely profitable and very accurate. So the other one was triangles, right? So triangle will be, there's a perfect example right here. Let's see. Let's zoom in real quick. Okay, triangles, sometimes the market, when it's consolidating, it gets trapped. So we see a trend up here and then trend up here, right? So we see that the market went here and then it's getting trapped in this area, just like, you know, when you push a spring, right, and it gets tighter, 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 and then when you let go, it just shoots. So right now we're waiting for a breakout, right? So the way you would trade this, right, would be, I would wait. Some people like to trade a breakout itself. My advice is to wait. Let's say the market breaks this way, right? Let's say it break this way. What I would do, I would wait for the first retracement right there, right? And I would look for a level to retrace to, which will be this one, right? And I would put my stops. Chris Terry recommends a stop in the middle, right? In the middle of the triangle, but I recommend it. I like it a little bit higher. I like it somewhere around here, right? And then I would trade it right around this area. If you like to trade a breakout itself, that's fine. But what happens sometimes you see the market break out this way and then go that way. That's called a fake out breakout, right? So let's suppose you traded a breakout, right? You traded a breakout and it fakes out, right? Let's I'm gonna look for another example because I can't draw that way. All right, let's say here. Let's say you can see another one. You can see another one here as well. Let's say it's somewhere right there, right? Kind of see a triangle there too. So let's say the market went here, right? Went here, right? And then you traded that, and then you didn't take profit, and it faked you out that way, right? What would you do is, if it fakes you out, be doubly aggressive towards the breakout, towards the other side, right? Because it already faked you out that way, so it won't fake you out the other way, or it shouldn't. So I would be doubly aggressive towards that side. So that way, if you took a loss, right, you will recover it easily, and there will be a higher probability for it. Right? Any questions so far? No?
No, sir. So, I
Yeah.
actually I do have one question, man. So, are triangles just trend lines, or how exactly do you find a triangle in the market?
Uh, it depends. Like I've seen guys. Look, I've seen. Uh, usually, most of them are in consolidation when you see the market kind of going sideways, sideways, sideways. Or there's guys. I've seen guys doing this, right? You can do it in some styles of trading. I've seen guys, and that's fine, and they're profitable that way too. I've seen guys do this. I've seen guys, let's see. let's see if you're looking for, let's look for an example. Let's see, hold on. All right, now let's just do it here. So I've seen guys do this. I've seen guys, this doesn't really look like a triangle, but I've seen guys like they see this, right? And this will actually Nikita was telling me the other day in the other webinar that he couldn't tell if it was up trending because he saw a up consolidation like right here in this area, but I've seen guys doing it right here and they're very profitable, and that's okay. So we can look for another example. Let's see. So this is kind of uptrending right now, or it was uptrending. I've seen some guys do this. Look, let's see. They see an uptrend right here and kind of like a downtrend right here. So that's just trapping price. So it broke this higher trend line, retraced right here, and they put a long position, and the market went up. It's just the way you see the market, pretty much.
Got you. That makes sense.
So, any questions, guys, so far?
I'm good, man. Javin,
All right.
Nikita, Ray.
Or something to add, maybe? No?
Yeah.
All right. So,
Yeah.
I was yeah.
No, I think that covered most of it, man.
Cool. All right. So, let's look at this. I like this setups right here. So, we can give the setups away if you guys want. So, this is my analysis on it. And Javin and Jordan, you can most definitely make your own analysis here and give out ideas, but this is how I see it. So if we're gonna apply this the videos, this teaching, so we can definitely do it right now. So we see this, right? We see this previous swing, which is very similar to this one, right? So I'm looking for a buy opportunity in this area. We see a level of support right here. Pretty clearly, we can see it. See resistance. It was resistance right there. It was support right here. If we go back in time, see it was resistance right there, resistance right there, support right here. So it's a pretty strong level. And also is as like look, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're looking for the fifth wave of the Elliott wave, and it can always the fifth wave. It's always tricky because it might just finish here. It might go till here, or it might go all the way up here. So my view, and I think there was also a triangle up here, so we can apply both. Look, check it.
Real quick, Cesar, Nikita has a question again.
Yeah, man. You there? Yo. Is it just me? I can't hear him.
Yeah, I can't hear him either.
Oh, can you type it, man?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah.
The question was, when you say resistance, you're talking about when the price now is reaching the floor,
No.
like it was the ceiling and now it's becoming the floor.
Yes. Yeah. Look. Check it out.
Right.
So we see the market here testing as resistance, right? We see it here. It broke. So see this push up? It broke,
Yep.
and it's coming back to test right around this area. And it's already, you see this wick? So it's
Yeah.
already kind of bounced off of it. So it's testing it right now. See?
Okay.
It's right here, kind of testing it. So I like it a lot. I like it a lot due to a couple confirmations that we can. There's like 5 or 6 confirmations right now. So this first confirmation is the Elliott wave, right? We see 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's got to be a 5 here. We see resistance, broke it, and testing as support. That's 2. We see price relationships right there. That's 3. So we got 3 confirmations right now. So 3 confirmations and above, it's really, really high probability. And we can, you can see a trend line as well here. Look, check it. Check it out. So that's 4. So we got 4 confirmations right now. Oh, let's draw it right here. See, there's a trend line. There's a trend line right now. That's 4 confirmations. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. So I'm looking for. I always like for a put, kind of like a big bounce and then a pullback. But there's a lot of resistance. I like it. So we can go, if we go down to the 1 hour, if you want to apply both, you can see this. There's a channel here, right? There's a channel already, but you can draw this, right? You can draw a little triangle here if you want. Look. So you see this, right? And then you see this. You see a trend line right here. So I'm looking for price to shoot up this way and then retracing. This is what I'm looking at. Right? How do you copy and screenshot it? I never done this before. I never really given my
There's a
part.
little camera icon at the bottom of Trading View. It's like right next to where the big blue button that says Publish Ideas. You see it?
Hold on. Where at?
It's by the Twitter icon.
Yeah. Big blue. Yeah. Click that. And you can either paste a link or you can save the image to your computer and then put it in a group chat, whichever you want to do.
Publish idea?
What?
No, it's the camera tool that's right beside
The Twitter icon.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's beside the Twitter icon.
Hold on. Let me. Oh, oops. Let's go back. Great. Sorry, guys. I never really shared through TradingView at all.
You're good.
All right. Let's hope that the drawing's still there.
Yeah, I know. The other day I spent like an hour marking up all my charts, and then I came back to look at them, and it did not save a single one.
Oh, shoot. Let's see. Hold on. Well, some of it is. Just got to draw the triangle and the. All right. So let's see. So we're applying both techniques or strategies right now. Look, let's draw that, right? And let's draw this. So we're looking, expecting. we're expecting a breakout. So we see that it's getting trapped right now because it can either keep going up or break this smaller trend line and keep going down. So let's draw the arrows. So we're expecting this to go down and then break and keep going that way, right? And then you can see there's a good level. It's a good level of support right there if it breaks, right? And then I was put my stop somewhere around there, somewhere around this other line or somewhere right there. Cool. Cool. So that camera?
Yeah.
Cool. Would you be able, do I got to zoom it out? Or
no, it'll well, whatever your screen looks like inside your trading view, that's exactly what it's going to copy. So,
bet. I'm going to put it in the group right now.
So if you want to like move it over before you save the screenshot, it's up to you.
Oh, okay. Okay, hold on. All right.
Do you see what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yeah. Let me zoom it out, actually.
Yeah, there you go.
Let's see. How about we do this? How would it look in a 4 hour? Yeah, I like this better. Yeah, this looks better. Yeah. Actually, let's do this. Let's make it look better. Yeah. How about, what if you put it in the daily? Well, you won't be able to see the, let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. All right. Any questions, guys? Before I go?
None at all, bro. That made a lot of sense, man. Honestly, I was kind of confused on triangles, bro, and like that clicked very well with me.
Yeah, I've seen guys like their whole strategy is just putting a triangle, making a triangle, and trade a breakout of the triangle itself. Just draw it and then do the breakout.
Got you, bro.
And
sweet, man.
It's a pretty good strategy as well.
Definitely.
I've seen guys be very profitable.
Heck
So
yeah,
let's
bro.
look at, what's that?
Oh, I just said heck yeah, man.
All right, let's look at AUD USD. So for another example, these are pairs that I was looking at, and we can look at some more if we still got time. So this one, look, let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily real quick. This is how I would see it. Look, check it out. So we see this swing. Well, I don't know why, but check it out. Look, I'm trying to go up. It just comes back down. Look. It's odd. Any pairs you've been looking at, Javin?
I'm marking up AUD USD right now.
You gonna mark it out? Cool.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for a retest to get in on it.
You already break out?
It already broke the level I was waiting for it to break. Now I'm just waiting for it to come back down and touch it so I can get in on the retest.
On upside?
Yeah.
Going up? Huh. Because here's how I looked at it. So I see, like, if we're gonna base this video on price relationships, so I want to kind of show examples. So we see that one, right? We see that swing up, and then let's clone it, and it's very similar to this one. Look, right? It looks really identical, and there's a level of resistance here, right there, right around here. And then if we look on the 1 hour, we see the triangle, right? I mean, there's a triangle right there if you look at it, right?
Nikita was wondering if you could look at USD CAD after this.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, so look, check. There's still a triangle going on right there, right? Let's see. I'm totally using completely the videos that we're talking about, and so everybody can see examples of it.
Hey, Cesar.
Yeah.
How did you take that? How did you take that bottom triangle line? Because technically, you know, I can pick any one of those retests down there to make a triangle.
Yeah. Look, check. Yeah, it doesn't matter how you honestly you try to draw a good trend line where the line touches a couple times, right? So you see right there, it broke, but it came up again. So look, it touched 1, 2, 3. So it's a good trend line right here, and look how many times it touched right there.
Gotcha. It's just I'm just a little bit confused drawing the triangle, because technically you can literally draw a triangle every single pair and
Yeah,
every single
because
time.
yeah, because it happens every time.